Hello. I'm going to talk very briefly about the potential use of mediation in these difficult times. We know that the courts are trying to function, but we also know that there are going to be difficulties and it's going to take time to issue proceedings, let alone for them to be heard. And also it's going to be quite difficult to get an urgent application before the court. One of the areas where I thought the mediation might be very useful at this moment in time is where two companies have got a contractual dispute. The obvious one which springs to mind is the potential force majeure clause, where both parties may be struggling. There will be problems in all people's supply chains at the moment. The parties don't actually need a legal battle at this moment in time. They need a commercial solution. Mediation is ideally suited for this type of dispute between the clients. Here, I don't think that any of the potential people in the supply chain are going to be blaming each other. They all know what the problem is. They're all just desperate to get the product out. There's going to be goodwill between the parties, but if I'm honest, and I'm a lawyer too, there's going to be all sorts of jockeying for positions by the lawyers in the supply, who are advising the various people in the supply chain to try and make sure that the problem doesn't land with them. In this type of situation, mediation's quick and it's cheap. It can be done via Zoom or Skype or FaceTime or the telephone. There are various ways in which we can get around the restrictions on meeting. And it will enable the mediator to explore the real problems that each supplier is facing and find a commercial solution that will mean that they can all keep the supply chain moving. So my advice to people is, although it may seem odd at this moment in time to be thinking of mediation, please do so. It's there. It's, as we all know, it's quick, it's effective, and it's likely to produce a settlement.